pretty great.
Okay, that's good. Now let's have our lesson for today. Again, it's all about a
Mm,
science lesson. Okay.
okay.
Aki, tell me if you can see my screen. I will share my screen in three, two, one, and go. Can you see my screen?
I knew it. Why is a sure science?
Because so that I cannot forget, I put sure. Only sure, not science. Oh, sure sci. Oh, I see. I thought it's only sure, but it's sure sci. Okay, where are we now? Changing state. We're done with this one. Okay. Let me check where are we. Can you still remember? Wait for a while. Oh, here we are done with this, right? Let's have a review. Magnets. Let's have a review about magnets. What are the types of magnets? Do you know? Sure. Mm-hmm. This one. What do you call this? It's a.
A magnet.
Okay, very good. A bar magnet. And this is a. The other
A
one.
horseshoe magnet.
Good. Okay. So much for that. Let's go to our new lesson for today, which is all about testing materials. One more time, can you read again our lesson for today, Sherbel? Let's say
Testing materials.
good. Testing materials. Let's read about this one.
Mm, You can investigate the properties of the material.
Okay, do you know the word investigate? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, investigate the property. I'm going to translate it for you of the material. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now here, you can test. How can you investigate the properties of a material, Sherbel?
Mm,
Let's read here.
You can test materials to compare properties and find out which one is best for a specific
Specific.
purpose.
Okay,
Please
very good.
peek. Here is a nice example about testing thermal insulators.
Very good. Do you know what is a thermal insulator is?
Thermal, like this,
Mm-hmm. This one.
like this.
What? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, we have now the investigation. We can test material, which one is best for a specific purpose. So example number one, which material
Which materials
mhm,
will keep hot, keep
will
tea
keep tea
hot for longest?
for longest?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the aim of the investigation? What are we trying to find out? We will find out.
Mm, we will find out. Mm, we will find out. Mm, mm,
Which material?
which material will keep tea hot for longest?
Okay, one more time. What is our goal or what is our aim of this investigation? We aim to
Okay.
find out. Okay. All right. So, number one, we have plan your experiment. What do you mean by we need to plan? We need to
ตู
think.
นถอนใหม่ๆเชฟแฟบต่อ
We need to think of the experiment. Okay, let's go to number one. What do you need first?
First,
Mm-hmm.
you need to come up with a way of testing which material will keep tea hot for longest.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you could wrap some beavers in different test materials
Mm-hmm.
like poly paper and polystyrene.
Mm-hmm. Polystyrene.
Polystyrene.
Good. And what will you do? And feel. Hello, hello.
And fill the beaver with hot tea.
Good. Very good. Okay. So this is a beaker. This is a beaker. Okay. The
Okay.
container. Yeah, the container or it's like a glass. It's a beaker. Transparent glass is a beaker. Number three.
When you use a thermometer to measure the temperature of the tea after 10 minutes.
Okay. That's good. So, do you understand number one, plan your experiment?
Yes.
Good. Okay. What are the materials that we will test if they can keep the tea hot? We have, what are those materials?
We have
Mm-hmm.
um uh we have
Go.
mm, we have
Yeah, what materials? We have foil.
mm, foil,
Mm-hmm.
paper,
Very good.
and polystyrene.
Okay. So look at this. What is this? This is the
Thermometer.
This one is the thermometer. Yes. The red one line. And this is a T. Inside is a T. Okay, go. Number two,
Mm,
number two.
make sure that your test is fair.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean by fair? Make sure that your test is fair.
Mm,
What does it mean when we say fair, Sherbal?
it means
Mm-hmm. Make
it
sure that
means
you're. Mm-hmm.
fair.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, fair. Mm,
It means that you do it properly with the other one, the other material, and the other one. It's the same, okay? All right, let's go.
okay.
Think about what thing.
Think about what
Mm-hmm.
things you would have to keep the same for each material.
Okay? So, think about what things you have to keep the same. You have to keep all the materials the same that you tested. For example, number one, the the size.
Mm, the size of the beaker.
Okay. The size of a beaker. If you use the big beaker using foil, you need to use the big beaker too in the paper. Is that clear? Is that clear, Sherbal? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next, what else should we make sure that it's the same? The
Dạ. Má còn
thickness. Say it again. The thickness of
um, the thickness of the test material.
good. Next one. Next one is
Next one is the mountain of tea.
the amount of tea. So if you use half of the beaker, if the tea is about half of the beaker in the foil, you need to use half tea in the beaker too, as well as in the paper or in the other material. You need to be fair. You need to be fair in your experiment, okay?
Hey.
Okay, that's good. Now let's go. Number three. Write down.
Then what you think will happen?
Okay. Okay. You need to write down what you think will happen. Okay. Before you start your test, make a prediction. I'm going to show you what is prediction, okay? This is a prediction in phi. Is it correct?
No.
Okay. Write down what you think will happen. Let's read before you start. No, Shirble. Before you start your tests. Go, let's read it before you start your tests.
Before you start your test, make a
Prediction.
prediction about what you think will happen and why.
Okay, for example.
Yeah.
For example of your prediction.
I'm going to be the mayor of Key.
Oh no, let's talk about the experiment. Who will hold the tea the longest? The paper, the foil, or the polystyrene? Let's go. I think.
Basically,
Okay, let's read it. I think that polystyrene will.
I think that possibly will keep the tea hot longest because it is a good thermos insulation. Insulators.
Okay. So, are you ready now?
Yes.
All right. Here we
And
go.
that.
Number four, number four, number four. Write down.
Home.
Number four, please.
What did happen?
Okay. Write down what did happen. Okay. Can you please read it? Oh, wait for a while. You read it first. Write down what happened in the experiment.
Experiment. Mm, Write down what did happen in your experiment. I don't have an experiment. That's staying like that. I'm moving my mic.
Hello? Sure, well, in the experiment, write down what happened in the experiment.
Experiment.
Mm-hmm.
Your results will be the temperatures of the tea in all the different beakers after 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So you can record your results in the table soon. Oh.
Okay. So how will you write it? You will write all the materials here and then the temperature of the tea after 10 minutes. Okay.
No.
Look at the table.
Here.
Look at the table.
Where is the table? Yes, I'm looking at the table.
Okay. So if you're looking at the table, how many degrees Celsius is the tea when using?
It's so cold.
No, it's not cold. It's not cold. 33 degrees Celsius is not cold.
Oh.
Okay.
Can
you tell me about the table, Cherbel? Explain to me what happened to the table.
What happened to the table? I don't see what happened to the table.
Oh, just translate it to me first. What can you see in the table, Cherbel?
I can see a glass of water, a tissue, almond, a car, a toy car that I paint. That's all.
What? Okay, so the polystyrene is 45 degrees Celsius. How about the paper?
What? How can you come up with the best? Oh, no.
How about the paper, please?
Follow the paper.
Paper is?
Geez, paper like this.
33.
Huh?
33
First,
degree,
3.
33 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, number 5. What will you write?
L. L. What are you
Number
doing?
5, please, Sherbel.
Number 5. Write a concussion.
Conclusion.
Conclusion.
Good, very good. So, after number 1, after plan your experiment, what material will you use? And then 2, you make sure that your test is fair so that your experiment is good. And then the last one is you have to write a conclusion. Do you know what is a conclusion?
What?
Do you know what is a conclusion?
Mm, conclusion.
Okay. Do you understand conclusion?
Means that the mm, hmm,
Okay. Finish off. Go, Sherbel.
mm, conclusion.
Very good. Conclusion.
Please finish off by writing a simple sentence that's sum up that you found your investigation. What is in my hair again?
What's that? Maybe that's the rice. Did you eat your dinner already?
Rice. I don't have rice in my hair.
Oh, what's
I
that?
don't. Mm, a mosquito?
A mosquito? Oh no.
Well, it's dying on my hair yesterday.
Again, I
I
don't
went
understand.
to the I went to the central and eat bread and eat dinner. And then I just thought what is in my head and then pull it off. And then I see the ladies moving through. I just thought it a win, but it's not. And then I see it twice. And then I throw it away. That's it.
All right. Okay. Now I don't understand that. Okay. For example of a conclusion, let's read it. Glycerine.
Closerines. Closerine. Where?
Glycerine capped.
Closerine kept the tea hot for longer than folly paper.
Foil or?
Folly or paper.
Why? Because glycerin here we have 45 degrees Celsius, meaning it's hotter than any other material. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions, are you sure?
Is
Okay, if you don't have any questions, I'll have a question for you, Sherbel.
what?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are the materials that are used in the experiment? What's this? Nothing? No.
I
What are
just say
those?
that.
Yeah. How do you raise
So
your
what
hand?
did
Can I?
you say?
What?
Now what did you say?
I say, what are the materials that we test in order to find out which material will keep tea hot for the longest time?
Oh,
Yeah.
thermometer.
Okay, of course its thermometer is what measures the hotness of the tea. What I mean is what material do you test? It's not thermometer, herbal.
Beaker.
No. A beaker is only the container which the
Hey,
tea
that's so
is
good.
placed.
How about that, little girl? Hmm,
Again,
how about this? Hmm, uh, oh, 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 crash. Hmm,
let me see, let me
that,
see. What's that? A
cat.
foil. Very good. Can you say foil? Foil, foil.
Oh,
What else? A
hmm,
foil.
a foil,
Mm-hmm.
tea.
A tea.
Oh no, my phosphor is
No,
going
not
to
the
be
tea. The tea is the we'll keep it. No, it's not a tea. So we have foil. We have
foil, a
a
paper,
paper
paper, mm,
and
and a picker.
a, a
A
polysterene.
polyethylene.
Okay, so okay, how many minutes do we need to have in order to measure again the temperature of a
10
tea?
minutes.
10
10
minutes. Okay. And which
Oh,
material
I
keeps
just
the
say
tea the
10.
longest?
So you ignored me.
I don't understand. Which material did keep tea hot for the longest in the 10 minutes? What material?
Mm, I'll the tea hot for longest. Mm.
What material? It's the I cannot hear you, Sherba. What's that? Is
Cheese. Ah,
mm-hmm.
all instinct.
Very good. It's a polystyrene. Okay.
Yay, polystyrene.
Oh yes. Good. So now here again, let's review the steps. Step one, you need to plan your experiment. Step two,
Step two, we need to explain. Mm,
number two.
Number two, where?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we need to review first the steps that we need to the experiment. So number one, we need to plan our experiment. Then number two, what do
Number
you need to do?
two, mm, mm,
Go, go, go.
we need to
Make sure.
mm, make sure
Mm-hmm.
the make sure that the test is fair.
Good. 3. Number 3, Sherbo. We need 2. Number 3. Go, go, go. We need 2.
We need to
Mm-hmm.
mm, number 3, we need to write down.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think will happen?
Okay, it's like a prediction. Okay, you will say, "Oh my gosh, I think it will be the paper. The paper will keep the tea hot in 10 minutes." So you will write a prediction. A prediction is, again, what is a prediction, Sherbo? What is
Mm, Petition. Petition means hello.
Hello, hello, hello,
No,
hello. I'm here. What's prediction?
petitions.
Mm-hmm. Write down what will happen. Is it already done or not?
What already done?
The experiment.
Oh, mm,
Is the
here.
experiment already done?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a prediction. I already translate. What is prediction to you? Let me translate again, okay? Here we go.
Who
Prediction.
did it?
Okay.
Me.
Mm-hmm. So, that is number 3. Write down what will happen over your prediction. Which one do you think will keep the tea hot for the longest time? Number 4, please. Please read. Write down.
Number 4. Write down what did happen.
That means to say, in
That
the
means we say write down.
that means to say, Sherbel, in the experiment,
In the experiment,
mm-hmm,
then
the result of the experiment.
the result of the experiment.
Okay, you need to find out or write down the result of the experiment like this. You put it, you record it on a table. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so since you don't have any questions, Sherbel, look at number 5. What's the last step after you write down the result? Or what happened to the experiment? Oh, your background is different. What's that?
Oh, dog.
It's a Oh,
Dog.
I thought it's an elephant. Why do I think it's an elephant? It's a white
Because it
dog.
looks like an elephant.
Okay.
I use it. My mom used it to make an AI.
Oh, you're the one who make it?
No, my mom.
Your mom. Wow. Okay.
But that the but I made one AI.
Fair.
My mom didn't make it.
What? I don't understand.
I mean the AI wonders the let me show the background to you. It
Okay,
happened.
okay.
Oh my father again.
I see the same background.
Okay, the cage. I don't see. Yeah. On. Yes, done.
Yes. Oh, wow. Who made that? That's a pig.
That's me who made that.
Oh, perfect. Okay, Sherbel says Sherbel, so much for that. Since you don't have any question and it's time now, let's have another lesson next time. Thank you very much, Sherbel. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Where's
Okay.
my